你前面嘛？
Hi, today I want to show you my test result of a workflow which I found on the GitHub page. If you have followed my tutorial, you should have seen the video using multiple subject reference LoRA. This workflow allows you to use the first and last frame as well with the same LoRA. The workflow I'm using is the V3 here, 4 days ago. And one thing you need to install is the node. Here you can see this is a new node for the first and last frame. And the instruction to install, you will find it here. Okay, let's look at my workflow. So this is the modified version for my environment. Some of the nodes I have simply disabled, for example, this with the VRAM management. So I just want to try it out. I don't want to install so many nodes. So as you can see, I'm using the distilled 1.1 Q5 GGUF model. And the LoRa is here. This is a MSR LoRa. I'm also using the very big video reasoning LoRa as well. This one is optional. You don't need to use it, but you can find it in here. I will link all the GitHub pages in the video description. And here, basically, these are the same model I was using in my previous video. In my case, there was some missing node. I simply changed what I have already installed, like those calculation node. And one thing I've changed as well, this one was 1.5, I changed this to 1. And here you can specify the resolution and the length of the video. Let's look at the input images. Here we have the first and last image. So in my scenario, the first image, just a tram approaching the camera without any subject. The subject should come from the reference images. But without first frame, you can use a background image as well. Importantly, for the last frame, because this frame, I want to have a text here. As you have seen in the intro, this last frame was created very nicely. And if I don't have the last frame, I won't be able to create those texts here correctly. And here there are the reference images. You can add up to 4. So I got 2 characters here. And this is the background image. I simply use the same one as the first image. This is the new node. I haven't changed anything. I just took all the default value. And here is the node for prompt relay. You can find the details how to use this node in my other video about the prompt relay. So I think that's all about the workflow. It's basically 3 in 1, first and last frame, multiple subject reference, and relay prompt. All these 3 things in one workflow. Okay, that's all about the workflow I have tested. Just go there and grab the workflow, try it out. If you have any question, just put it in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
There are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.